Hi dresser cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing Cosmo from Dandy's World. So let's get started. To draw this cute pastry, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a really big circle. There, got one big circle, and then I'm going to come inside towards this edge more and draw another circle. So maybe I'll start about right here and towards this edge more. Go ahead and just create another circle. There, and I'm just going to go ahead and shade this all in. And then let's draw the other eye. So I'm going to come across, say about this wide, and do the same thing. Just try my best to match it. About that much, and then once again, same thing towards the inside. And shade it in. There. Okay, finally got the eyes in. Then I'm going to come in between the eyes and draw a mouth. And about right here, we're just going to draw a curve going downwards and then thicken it up. It's like a bean. And connect. And then right here, we're going to draw two angle lines for the teeth. So Cosmo here is very anxious, right? Very worried. So that's why we have an upside down smile. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and just draw a soft curve over each eye. And then we need to draw the pastry roll shape. So just to make it easier, I'm just going to go ahead and about right here in this space, I'm going to go ahead and draw a line going over the eyes. And maybe towards the center, I'll just kind of dip it in a little bit and then back straight. Just to give our pastry roll so it's not so stiff. And I'll just bring it out. So we're about the same height right over the eyes, about right there. Then I'm going to go ahead and start to round it off. So come out and then round it off. Same thing here. And then I'm going to bring it down. Just round off this curve right here. Round the eye. And then let's bring it down more. So we want to end, say about, I'm just going to find my center, just approximate. Just so I know kind of where I want my pastry, how thick I want it to be. So right about here, I'm going to start to round it off. So then back to this line, just so I know where I'm going. So same thing here, round it off and head towards that little line. Okay, so then from there, we're going to, let's see here. I'm just going to draw a line right here, right underneath the mouth, and I'll bring it out a little bit more. So let's say about this wide, and this is where I'm going to start his top. So right about here and here. I'm just going to draw a curve and bring an angle line down. So now I know where his top is. I'm going to come right here and just draw this curve coming up and back down, and continuing my curve to connect my roll. So same thing here, another curve. So this is for the hands, and connect. But if you're using a pencil, definitely just finish this roll. That might be a little bit easier, but I just don't want to erase, so I'm just going to not draw in that line for now. Okay, so then from there, we're going to bring this down a little bit more. So same thing here, and about right there, just kind of bring it in. Round it off and bring it in. Then we're going to come out, put a little trim on his top, and connect. There. And before I forget, right in the center here, I'm going to go to the left, go to the right, and draw these two strands that come down. Same thing here, just sticking it up. And then find your center once again, and we're going to go to the left, go to the right, and we're going to draw the legs. So nice and simple. We're just going to come out a little bit, about right here as well. So the feet are wider, and say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and round it off. From there, I'm going to go ahead and draw the other leg. So same thing. And then for some details, come about right here, draw a curve for the feet, and then you can do this without the lines if you just want to color when you're coloring it so they don't have a harsh line. But I'm just going to come in here to show you, put in some curves for different colors on his leggings. And same thing here. So now for the hands, we're going to bring this curve in and then down, because right here we're going to come out, and this is going to come down right here with a thumb coming out, and we're going to curve it in for an elbow. There. So same thing on this side. We're going to come out, and then this is going to come down, and then a thumb, and once again, just want to make sure I'm about the same on the other side, and connect everything. There. So now he's very worried, right? And just fix this curve right here. And I almost forgot, I need to put some of this drizzle on the top right here. So I'm going to come right here, draw a little tail, and then in the center we have these two, sticking it up, one more, and another tail. There. And of course we have to draw the stars right here for the cheeks. So there's 3 of them, and 3 little stars. So go ahead and put one here, and another one up here, and one more. There. And so same thing on this side. There, all done. Hopefully I haven't forgotten anything, but I guess I should put a heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Cosmo from Dandy's World. I really hope you love how this turned out, and I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.